Click on Sourcing. Applicants can be sourced using a number of different methods. Sourced directly, for example, through social and business networking. Recruiting internally, from within an organization. Through word of mouth. Posting adverts on job boards. Through instructing recruitment agencies to source candidates on behalf of the recruiter. Click on Sourcing Setup. An advertisement for the role has been created using the vacancy setup information. It is important to review the advert's content. Preview the advert by clicking on the View Advert icon. OK. The advert is configured using the advert setup settings, where elements and sections of the advert can be turned on or off. If incorrect, changes may be made through the Campaign Setup's Vacancy menu option. Ensure that the job advertisement is green, indicating that it is open for applications. Check that the close date gives sufficient time to source applicants, as no applications can be submitted after the close date. The close date can be extended by changing the application's close date on the Vacancy Setup Edit, or by editing and resetting the timeline. Where a response to a vacancy can be overwhelming, the campaign can be temporarily or permanently closed to new applicants. Click on Providers. For this example, we will source applicants by placing an advert using a job board. HR Selector provides a library containing details for a number of popular recruitment providers. To access the library, click on the Library Import icon. Scroll through the providers, or if you know the provider you want to use, click on Filter. Enter the name of the provider. We will use Gumtree. Click on Search. Check the provider you want to use. Click on Import Selected. OK. Exit. To create a customized posting for the selected providers, tick the provider record. Click on Create Posting icon. OK. Click on Postings. A customized record for the advert that we will post on Gumtree has been generated. The next step is to create an advert using the selected provider. Each provider will have their own method for posting advertisements. We will demonstrate using Gumtree, and the process will need to be adapted for other providers. Click on the Gumtree link. Log in or register. Complete the steps required to post a job advertisement. Use the information in the generated advertisement to populate the advertisement fields in Gumtree. We need to direct applicants to our online job application form. HR Selector provides two techniques to achieve this. The application link is a URL that we can include in the job advertisement. Some providers have a designated website field to enter this into. An application email address is provided for job boards that send applications by email. This is an email address assigned to the vacancy that will generate an auto-reply email back to each applicant with instructions to submit the online application. Confirm that the link is active by selecting the link, right-clicking the mouse, and selecting Open Link in New tab or New window. This will display the full advertisement. Click on the Start Application button at the bottom, and this will display the application registration screen. HR Selector would recommend that you complete and submit a test application. After confirming that the process is working correctly, you are ready to publish the advertisement. After publication, click on Edit. Record the details of the published advertisement. Copy the provider's job advert link into the advert link field for easy reference. Set the job advertisement's publication, start and finish dates. Enter the provider's costs. Change the status to active. Click Save. Click OK. If you are using the service of a recruitment agency, click on Instructions, and then use the Add New icon to enter the details, where the steps are similar to the posting. Rather than posting to a job board, the link is given to the agency, who can then forward the link to their candidates. Using the link, the recruitment agency will have their sourced candidates credited to them. Click on Overview. The overview will provide metrics on the performance of application sourcing and a cost forecast.